Hello.
Hello.
We're here on a fabulous Sunday evening making some yard bird.
Because it's Sunday and you gotta make Sunday
Yard
dinner.
bird.
Sunday dinner.
So
I almost said Christmas dinner.
we're gonna make Christmas dinner in February. Good one.
Yeah.
So I have some chicken breast here.
Stop touching them. Those chickens don't have nipples.
Nipple.
Oh my crusty old nipple.
We're gonna be frying this up. This is boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm just gonna kind of quickly run through what we're gonna do here. In this pan dish container, I have 2 eggs, a little bit of milk, mix them up. This is an egg wash. Then I have this contraption, which is called a batter bowl. And what you do with the batter bowl,
We'll just show everybody.
well, I can just show you. There's a
Yeah.
cat. Go down. I'm gonna take this big knife. You don't have to do this. I like to cut the chicken into strips.
You can leave it whole.
So you take your chicken, and I didn't put any seasoning on this. I put some cumin, some coriander, some garlic salt, some black pepper. I leave the salt out. And this flour, this is regular all-purpose flour, I put black pepper, a little salt, a little bit of cayenne. We ran out of paprika. I would have put some paprika in it also. So I'm going to take this chicken and put it in this egg wash. You just want to take a fork or some tongs or something and just kind of move it around. And once everything's coated, you just dump them in your batter bowl.
Now we don't know how this is going to work because we've never used it before. We bought it a few weeks ago and just never used it. We've been waiting to use it.
And this section goes on. And then this section goes on.
Now flip,
Flip,
shake, flip.
flip, shake, flip, shake.
And then when you get to the part that has the chicken in it, you open that part up. Ta-da! Nice.
Perfectly battered chicken.
Nice. And then it's not all over. It's not over you or everything. 'Cause I'm a
So,
messy beast.
in order, let me rinse my hands off real quick. I'll keep talking. In order to keep this video down to a respectable time level, I'm going to go ahead and do all of these up. I have some potatoes. What the hell are you? She's pointing at
The
something.
cabinet door is open.
Okay. Cabinet door. Let me close this cabinet door.
Okay.
We boiled some potatoes. We cut them in cubes. They were boiled until they were soft, fork tender. You can stick a fork in them. I put some milk, about a half cup, 3/4 of a cup, and some butter in here. I'm going to mash these up. a little salt and pepper.
You're a masher.
Masher.
That green bowl over there?
The green bowl has cream cheese corn in it that we made for my granddaughter's video earlier. It's a bag of frozen corn, a container or a block of cream cheese, and 3 tablespoons of butter. A little pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Microwave it for 6.5 minutes or until it's done, until the corn's done. Stir it together. So let me get, my fry oil is coming up to temperature. Let me get this chicken cut up and fried, and we'll be back. Show you how it's done.
All right.
All right, back from frying this yardbird.
Yardbird.
Here's I cut some up into pieces, and there's my strips. Came out nice and crispy.
That's not what I thought you said, but okay.
Strips. What the fuck's wrong with you? Here's a
Titties.
the giant piece.
That's look. You got to pick up the giant titty, right?
Right. That's exactly right.
Giant titties.
We
Chicken
have,
titties.
Here's our potatoes.
I didn't
that's,
peel the potatoes. I like them with the skin on, so that's why they look all.
Here's the cream cheese corn from my granddaughter's video.
Because she's awesome.
We have
And
a little
Paul is
cream
awesome.
cheese corn and some potatoes.
Some Frank's Red Hot.
We got some wing sauce. We can cut up.
Look at that.
Crisp and delicious.
Beautiful.
We'll give it a little dip in the wing sauce. Mmm. That works.
Awesome. So we don't have anybody that like sponsors our videos or anything like that. But
They
when we
buy
find,
everything.
yeah, exactly. But when we find stuff that we really like, we like to tell everybody about it. And this batter bowl is
If you're gonna cook
awesome.
fish or chicken or anything with a breading, buy this.
They have a different brand. It's
Buy
the
something like
Cajun
this.
flavor injector kind. But I bought this one at Rule King. I paid like $19.99 for it. This one is like longer instead of round. I think it's more intended for cooking fish, but it says you can cook anything. It is awesome. You seen us use it earlier, and now we've washed it, and
It cleaned up very easily.
Yeah.
There was very little flour left.
there's very little waste and very little like clumping in it.
I'm gonna try some of these potatoes.
All right.
And a little corn.
This is a Tom Eats video.
Ooh. This is my dinner video.
All right.
So we're
So,
gonna.
show me the name of that bowl again. Awesome. Okay.
Yeah, if you're gonna look, it's microwave safe. I don't know what you would microwave in it. Dishwasher safe.
I don't know. I wonder if you could steam stuff in it. Maybe you could steam vegetables in there. Put some water in the bottom. I don't know what the
But it's
whole.
plastic though.
It says microwave safe.
Yeah, but can you steam?
What
in
about all those
plastic?
microwave steamers and rice cookers and all that other stuff? Why couldn't
Maybe.
you? Maybe if you could take the. Well, I don't know. Well, I guess we'll try.
Anyway, I would recommend, like I said, if you're going to cook fish or chicken or anything with a breading, onion rings, if you're going to make french fries with some kind of batter, look into getting a batter bowl.
Batter bowl. It's awesome. We bought ours at Rule King.
Oh, also,
They have them at, like sports stores, like outdoor stores, like.
also I
Bass
cooked
Pro
this
and-
chicken to 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal. That's what our safe limit is. Get a little thermometer, little digital thermometer. Check it. It's all good.
Now say goodbye and stuff your face.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat my dinner. Everyone, thanks for watching.
Thanks
Like
for
and
watching.
subscribe. Thumbs up. Leave a comment. And thank you to Jen. There's a cat eating a chicken over here. Thanks to Jen for prepping everything and
thank
recording.
you.
And
No
we'll see you
problem.
later.
Bye.
Good night.